So here we are going to start the next topic. Till yesterday we have discussed these links, types of links, local links and global links. Here you can see the local global links. Here it is discussed. Here href contains the website address, and if attribute href attribute contains any website address, then it is linked to this. You can see whenever you click this one, Facebook, it will visit this website www.facebook.com. So this is a global link, means we can say this is one type of external link which will change the one website to another website. Here you can see this output will come. This is your output and it will be underlined this like that, and someone click this one, we can visit this website. Okay, next to the move, that's the next topic. That here, how can we make a link within the same page? Man, this is one type of, the another type, this is called internal link. This is internal link. Okay, internal link. So here internal link we can create. There are two things you need to know about before creating an internal link. Here you see, first of all you have to create an anchor, and next one you must make a link to this anchor. But whenever you create this one, you must use a sign. This is hash sign in href attribute. Now see, whenever we make a link, local link with any web page address, URL of any web page, if we create a link, a global link, it contains what? The website address. But now we are going to create a link within the same page. We are not moving from one page to another or one website to another website, within the same. So for that we have to use this sign, hash sign. So this question comes so many times, it came already, which sign is used to make an anchor or to make an internal link. So this is hash sign. How to create this link? Just example I have given to you. These are the two way, that means two options: create an anchor and create a link to pointing to the anchor. These are the two options. Remember, these points are very much important. Okay, you underline these things. First, you see, this is the same page, one page that we have created, and this is a link href. Here it is mentioned, the internal link. Href contains a value which is preceded by a hash sign. Okay, preceded by a hash sign. Okay, sometimes perhaps you have seen that we can go to the bottom of the page or from bottom to the top of the page. Okay, so many websites have some this type of arrow like that. If someone clicks there, it will move to the top. Sometimes we can see like this, when someone clicks there, you can go to the bottom of the page. Okay, so in that way you can move from one page within the same page. This is a internal link within this page. This is called internal link. So these are the two options you must create. First of all, you must create an anchor. This is an anchor you are creating, and for that we need to use another one. This is id attribute to make a link to this anchor. Okay, so if someone clicks here, it is containing value what? Bottom. Now it will search where this bottom value is assigned. It will search within the page and it will find that bottom value is assigned to here in the id attribute. So if someone clicks here, wherever you have mentioned this line up to this much, your page will come up like that. Okay, so like this, you see, if this is your monitor and a monitor cannot contain, so this is your whole web page like this, and only this much page is displaying, the rest of the page it is not displaying. So if this line it is mentioned here in the top, if someone clicks, your page will go up, and wherever this line is mentioned up to this much, it will come up. Okay, in the similar way, if someone wants to go from the bottom to top, so here it is value. I have any value you can give. Here it is just a b c d, but whatever you want to give a value, but this value must match with the value defined in the id attribute. If someone clicks here, it will go to the top. Okay, wherever this line is mentioned up to this much, it will come to you. So this is an internal link within the same page. Okay, I think it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in WhatsApp. Again, I'll discuss this part. Okay, so this is internal link. These are the three types of link that we have discussed: local, global and internal. Local link, the links within the website but different web pages. Global links from one website to another website. And the internal link within the same page. Okay, within the same page. Next, we move to this example here. Internal link on example, it is given how to create a link. Here you can see top, go to top. Here you can see, if someone clicks here, it will go top. You can see this scroll bar, it is now in down. If someone clicks here, it will go up, and this top part, it will be displayed. Okay, where it will display, wherever it is mentioned in ID. You can see the ID is mentioned here. Here it is use hash is not mandatory yet, but you must mention here hash. Okay, this is an internal link. Here it is seen from top to bottom to top. Okay, so next we go to the next topic, that here another attributes apart from your href, another attribute you can use. This is target attribute. Sometimes you have, perhaps you have seen that whenever you click a link, it comes within the same window of your browser. Sometimes it opens in the another window, sometimes it opens in another browser window. Okay, so when it will display in the same window, when it will display in the different window or different tab, it can be assigned. So the use of the target attribute is that we can specify that where to open our linked document. That means whenever it is clicked to any particular text, hypertext, the linked document where to open. Don't be confused with href. href is the URL of the target resource. Here, well, name target is there, but doesn't mean that the target attribute. Target resource means which resource you are targeting to open. Okay, to link. But here the use of target attribute is that where to open, within the same window or in different window or different frame. So here this all the concepts are given here: blank, parent, self and top. Self and top, parent and top, these two things we will discuss after frame. Okay, before frame I cannot discuss, and this part I'll show you practically. Here I cannot show, so when school will resume, that time I'll show you how this parent and top works. So for this time being, just you know that underline the definition of target attributes, just to underline, very much important definition. What is the use? It comes maximum times the use of target attributes. Here the target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. Okay, these are the four values of the target attribute. What are the values? Blank, parent, self and top. Then don't forget this underscore. Everywhere you can see underscore is given. Blank, underscore. Before every value, say parent, it is underscore. Underscore is given, so don't forget to put underscore. Without underscore, this value is not valid. So what is the use of blank? First come to self. What is self? If you have not mentioned any target attribute, say this value you have not mentioned, only seva.online.org. That means if someone clicks seva, then it will open this website. But where to open? You have not mentioned target attribute. So default value is always self. Self means within the same window where you are viewing, within the same window, this website will display or open. But if you have mentioned target attribute as blank, like this one blank, means whenever you click this seva, this website will open in another window. Previous page still remain, and next page it will come in the next tab or next window. Okay, these are the two values, self and what? Blank. Whether you mention self or don't mention, it is similar, because this is the default value of the target attribute. So these questions also it may come, that what is the default value of target attributes? So the default value is self. The other values, blank, parent, top and blank, parent and top. Another these three values are there. So this parent and top will discuss after discussing what? Frame. Okay, now the last class we have discussed the default colors of the links. As we know, if you have not clicked any link, okay, still to be visited, the default color is always blue. But whenever it is clicked and once visited, then the color of the link will be changed to purple. Still can change these values. How to change? Now this one, you see this part, you see how to change this value. First, these are the different four proper things you have to use before changing the colors. Here all the default color is given. Standard link color is blue, standard visited color is purple. Here you can see purple. Default color of this one is, it is given as blue, and active color is red. Okay, Active color means when you click that time, on that time, at the time of clicking, this is called active, means you are going to activate, you are activating this link. So when you click that link, then it will change for a while to different color, and default color is red. Now what is hover? Hover is that, so when you place your cursor to any link, as we know, it changes to a small hand. But if you specify hover color, when you place your cursor to a link, then the color of the link will change for a while. Okay, it will blow, little bit blow, okay, with different colors, and this is called hover. Okay, these are the four things we can use or to change the colors of any link. So here you see how to use this part. It is showing this is the CSS line, as we know, started style, and a colon, like that, a colon, then link, in that way you have to write. Okay, and after that bracket, color green, means default color was, link color was what, blue. Now it will be what, green. In the similar way, visited it is red, and hover it is blue, active it is orange. Now one thing you can see, hover is written before active. Before active, active color is what, when you click the link at that time, at the time of clicking. But once it is clicked and come back, then changing color, this is visited link. Okay, and hover what, just place the cursor over the link and what color it comes, this is the hover color. So when you mention hover, that time you must write active color after hover. The line it is written, you can here note, it is given, a hover must come after a link and visited. Both hover, always it comes after a link and visited. You see, hover it is displaying after link and visited, but it comes before active. Before active. So this line is, just remember, whenever you mention any hover, it should come after link and visited, but before active. Okay, so in that way we can change the all the visited, sorry, what, color, default color. Another things you have seen, that whenever we create a link, it comes underlined to this link, underlined comes, yes. So if someone wants to remove that underline, that what property should use, you can use this text decoration property, and the value of this property will be none. How to write in the next page, I think it is given here, you see, yes, text decoration none. It means what, the link will display without what, underline. Now there will no underline. If you have written any link and you have mentioned this one, text decoration none, then it will not display the underline in a link, under the link. Okay, other things property you can see, font width means it is bold, font thickness of the font family, calibri change can be changed. Okay, and the colors also accordingly it is changed. We can create email also as hyperlink. That means so many website you can see to contact us, in this contact us, they used to mention their send us mail, like that. If someone clicks that send us mail, directly your account will be logged in, and in your account no need to put the address of the recipient. So ultimately, automatically this address backside of the link will be inserted like this. Here you see this line, just to see in your book. If it is not clear to you, you always use your book. Here, this is an email link. If someone clicks this line, then what link it is given, shavarwal 12 or 2 alka@gmail.com. This is the mail account to whom you want to send a message. But one thing you must see, before sending any mail, to create any email, you have to mention this word mail to. Remember, mail to. And not only mail to, you must write this colon also, mail to, then this colon. Okay, there is no space in between, single word, mail to, remember. So here you see, here this is a link. So if you don't know what is the address behind this link, if you click, your account is visited, and this too, it contains automatically this address, automatically it comes. So in that way we can create mail also as your hyperlink. Email also can be used as hyperlink. And last topic of this linking is that image also, you have seen so many times images are there, you click the image, we can visit still a website or some links. So if we take an example, say this the Facebook image, graphic image, here the image name is fb.gif. So if I want to link this image to any website, how to use these things? So similar, this part is same, the global link as we know. And here, instead of writing any text like previously it was written directly in that way, Facebook it was written, yes or no? Previously it was written what? Here it was written, you see, in this portion it was written Facebook was written instead of the image. So if we insert an image, this image will display in place of the text. Okay, in place of the text. Previously you see where the global link that I have shown you, here you see Facebook it was displaying if you written in text, and the syntax also it was mentioned either text or graphics. Previous class if you have seen the syntax of hyperlink, it was shown that it was discussed there. This part it may be text or it may be graphics. So here it was used as text, but here we are using a graphics. So here graphics is used, so image will display. If someone clicks this image, we can visit this website. Okay, this website. Now see, here we have not mentioned border around the image. This is another thing, there is no border around the image, but why border is displaying? We have assigned height and width 50 pixel and 30 pixel. As you see, there is no px, it is written because we are using here attributes, not as properties. So here no need to mention px, 50 px, no. Width 35 px, no. If it is written as css, then you must write px. Here border we have not mentioned, but still border is displaying. So this is, we have inserted images also in the previous chapter. There was no border. If you have given border, then border comes, otherwise border will not display. Clear? So here the thing is that when you create an image as hyperlink, by default a border appears around the image. By default it comes. Okay, the color of the border will be blue, previously like that. That means unvisited link, not visited. The border color will be blue. So once you have visited this one, the color of this one will be purple. The color of the border will be purple. Okay, if you want to remove this border, just to modify this line here, border equal to 0 you have to write. Border equal to 0, then you will not get any border around the image. Okay, so if someone clicks here, now he can visit this website. And this single line will not do the everything. You have to write, and just you have to modify this line with this. Just replace border equal to 0. Okay, up to this much today we have discussed. If you have any doubt, you can ask questions in my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.